Hello and welcome back to this series called Customizing Your Kajabi website. Today I will show you how to modify your color palette. Okay, this is something really easy, but it's gonna help you do your modifications really fast because you'll have the colors into the Kajabi backend. So this is gonna be so helpful. Okay, so let's start going to settings and click on site details. Okay, now you have to scroll down and here you see this section called colors and you see here your colors palette. So these are the default palette that Kajabi provides us. So you can click on each color and change their tones to have your custom colors here. What I do is add my my colors. I add, for example, my blacks, my whites here, and then I add the other colors, like for example blue, some accents, whatever. And to for the rest of the colors I use because we can't delete them, so I just make them um, transparent so I don't have to use them because is there aren't my colors, so I just add my custom colors here and then remember to click on save here. Okay, and when you save it you'll have your custom colors when you are editing your pages or your website. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you.